How do you create Instagram Reels that get more people to show up on your profile and follow your account? You'll find out in this video. Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, and in today's video we're going to talk about what are the best tips for creating engaging Instagram Reels. Whether you're creating these Reels to promote a product or to promote your own profile if you're an individual, these tips apply. So make sure you're keeping them in mind when you're creating your Instagram Reels. On this channel we talk about social media marketing for business, and if you're interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. This video is sponsored by Offeo, a video marketing online platform that is going to help you create the best video graphics for your business. Whether you want to create videos for your products to add them to your website, whether you want to create content for social media and you need an editing program that has tons of templates to choose from, Offeo is the one for you. You can sign up for Offeo using the link below. In today's video, we're going to use Offeo.com to explain how you can create engaging Instagram Reels. So let's begin. So what do you need to do in order to create the best engaging Instagram Reel? Tip number 1. High quality videos or photos. Even if the Instagram Reel is a new feature for Instagram, that doesn't mean it gives you the opportunity to create whatever content you want and you'll grow. Even more than that, Instagram is a platform that is basing itself on quality content. Quality videos and photos are being posted to Instagram every single day, and so are Reels. So if you don't create your Instagram Reels with high quality content, people will not enjoy them and they will not grow your following. Offeo has the best video graphics that are high quality, so even if you add a photo or a video to it, you will still be creating a really high quality Instagram Reel. Tip number 2, dynamic videos. That doesn't necessarily mean that it has to scream to the viewer or have a lot of sound and a lot of movement. Dynamic means that the viewer won't get bored while viewing it. You've seen TikToks, you know how engaging they are, and this is the same to Instagram Reels in some ways. What will you do in your Instagram Reel to catch their attention, to stay on your reel and even want more? Even if you're only using images, make sure to create an engaging Instagram Reels with movement and a lot of effects to it, transitions and so on. Tip number 3, if you're giving advice, if you're teaching something, if you're giving information on something, add readable text. Do not add text in areas of the reel that cannot be read while watching that. And if you're adding text, make sure to add it with a background. Add it in a color like white if most of your video is dark. Also, a lot of people go through Instagram Reels with their sound off. So if you want to catch their attention to remain on your reel, you must add text for the things you're saying. Even if you're explaining something, make sure to always add captions. You can add those in your own branding style, you can add your own font to make sure that your Instagram Reel is branded. Now let's talk a little bit about sound and what sound should you use in your Instagram Reel. Offeo has a lot of great sounds in the sound library that you can use for your Instagram Reels, so you won't need to use the Instagram ones if you don't want to. So make sure to check that out using the link below. So when you create an Instagram Reel, let's say for a fine jewelry brand, you're not going to want to add harsh sounds or very dynamic sounds because that brand presses simplicity, refinement and all that. So the music that you add to your reel should also complete the entire reel, photography, videography in that same style. Tip number 5, tell a story. Make sure that every Instagram Reel you share has a point and has a beginning and an end and a point that you want to reach with that content. If you're just creating Instagram Reels to show off, maybe even if you're creating an Instagram Reel to show off a product because that's what you want to do, you want to promote your product, make sure to create an engaging reel. Tell people what your product does. Show people how your product is being used. Don't just show random pictures of your product without telling a story. Stories are engaging, they keep people focused, and they make them want more. Tip number 6, branding. Brand your Instagram Reels with colors, fonts, graphics. Even your video and photography style must be branded. Even the tone of voice, even the music you're using, if those are not branded, people will go to your profile and see a completely different thing than what they saw in the Instagram Reel. This will make them want to click off. So make sure that you create your Instagram Reels on the topics of your Instagram account to get a chance to get follows and engagement on your account. Make sure that if you follow popular trends, popular songs, you want to use them, make sure to use them again with a purpose, with a point, and make them your own. Make them unique. Again, Instagram Reels should be kept professional, so another tip that I have is do not save videos from TikTok and use them to your Instagram Reels. That will show the TikTok logo all over the place. And then the last thing that you want to keep in mind with every single Instagram Reel that you create, add a call to action. Whether that is promoting your product and say, hey, go on and check out my product, or subscribe to my YouTube channel, or see more Instagram Reels on my profile, you must tell people that there's more to see. Don't include 7 call to actions in one Instagram Reel. The time is so short anyways. One at the end or at the beginning of the Instagram Reel is perfectly fine, and it will make people understand that there's more content or products to see from you. So there you go, guys. This is how you create professional Instagram Reels for your business or individual account. I hope these tips were helpful, and don't forget, Instagram is a professional platform. You need to use it as such. If you want your Instagram Reels to be found by more people, don't forget to write a really interesting description and add hashtags. Thank you so much, Offeo, for sponsoring today's video. I create all my Instagram Reels with Offeo, and I think it is a great platform that is worth giving a try. So again, if you want to try Offeo, make sure to click the link in the description to do so. If you want to see more such videos on entrepreneurship and social media marketing for business, make sure to click the subscribe button and press the bell to be notified when I upload. You can also check out me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess to see more Instagram Reels, IGTVs, and awesome business posts. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.